Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything. Life's been crazy, as I'm sure it's been crazy for you with all this COVID-19. But I just recently started playing around with some new product called Couture. And one of their products is called a chalk ink. And it's a permanent ink that you can use on t-shirts, hats. You guys, it's super hot today and we don't have central AC, so I'm dying. So you can use this stuff on hats, t-shirts, glassware. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I took these mugs that look like this. I've got about 6 or 7 of them that I found at the thrift store a while back. I got them for $1 each. And I took this well, not transfer, but this stencil, which is like a silk screening. And I have other images like this, and permanently painted on or stenciled on this image along with some other ones, and I'm going to show you in the video how I did that, so stick around. Going to use this stencil so we can get it to focus. There we go. I'm going to apply it to this mug using the permanent ink by Couture. You want to apply it nice and thin, otherwise it gets too thick, and then wipe off the excess. Moment of truth. How cute. So cute. That's how it looks. Now I'm going to heat set it with my heat gun. You can see how it's dried kind of matte. So I'm going to set that to the side and I'm going to do a few more. Here they are complete. Now one thing you need to do once you've applied the ink and you've heated it with the heat gun is to put it in the oven for 30 minutes and then let it sit overnight. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to know more about the products. I will be sure to put a link in the description of where you can find these products if you want to purchase anything and give it a try yourself. If you want to see more videos on how-to, furniture, home decor, anything that has to do with DIY, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell all your friends, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.